Oh, hello and welcome to Patrick's Model and Transport. And here we are with bits and pieces of the SNCF BB6700 diesel electric locomotive. And after finishing the previous video, I just took out my fiberglass pencil and I polished up the axles of the pickup bogie. I also polished up some of the dirt. There was some oxidation here on the commutator that was really not coming off. It was very, very stubborn, so I just gave this a wee polish, so we're okay. We should be okay. I'm never really using fiberglass pencil, these micro scratches, but they're very, very fine. I think it should be okay. Definitely be okay. I also cleaned the contact here as well, and I also polished, what else did I polish with the fiberglass pencil? I'm trying to remember. I gave, oh yes, the pickup plate, the bogie pickup plate that picks up the polarity that the bogie picks up, so that also was kind of really needing a wee bit of attention. Then I always put a spot of technical petroleum jelly on the pickups, on the axles, to improve conductivity and to guarantee smooth running. The same applies to the pickup bogie. Okay, let's see what we're doing next. And I also cleaned the brushes, springs and the rotor washer very well with lighter fluid, and now I'm going to begin reassembling.